Hey guys, this is Richard from Debaroo, and in this video we're going to be doing an affiliate network tutorial of CrakRevenue. Okay, so we are on the CrakRevenue affiliate network site. As you can see, the most efficient CPA network and 5th position best CPA network 2019. Guessing that was some competition. Yeah, this one, top Blue Book Global 20 best CPA networks, which shows that they're winning competitions, so there must be something going on here. Affiliate access more than 1,000 offers by joining our affiliate network. Monetize your traffic. So what is CrakRevenue? And there's a little paragraph from the COO. We're not going to read that. Going to keep this interesting. The best CPA marketing platform. Discover our top affiliate programs for our brand new platform, CrackRevenue 2.0, and they've got an app. That is cool. So we are always on our phones, right? Okay, what have they got? Okay, cool. So better reporting, hundreds of top converting offers, fully responsive. Okay, top self-service, blah blah. Okay, cool. The crew behind the whale. So from the sound of it, I think they're like a US based network. Just by terminology. Alright, cool. Let's have a look at their affiliate page. Let's get a bit more specific. Let's see their affiliate page. The one-stop shop in affiliate marketing. Benefit from the industry's most coveted top converting offers, the highest paying affiliate programs, and frequent payout rises. Join us today and discover why we have been ranked among Blue Book's best CPA networks worldwide since 2015. All right, cool. So they have rankings of affiliates. That's pretty cool. So active affiliate, VIP affiliate if you're in their top 200, and then the elite club. So if you're a normal affiliate, you don't get a dedicated affiliate manager. You don't get exclusive offers, you don't get exclusive promos, and you don't get a 1 month referral bump or annual payout. The annual payout bump. Damn. Okay. Whereas if you're VIP, you get all of that apart from the 1 month referral bump and elite club. Okay, so it's quite interesting. They have like some almost gamification for the affiliates. Can you get into their top 200 club? Are you a top 50 affiliate? Most likely not when you're starting out with a network, but you probably will be trying to get there, right? Access to 700 plus offers, dedicated affiliate managers, exclusive products, smart links, high payouts, fast and accurate reporting, extra earning opportunities. Every offer we run is preset with optional extra earning opportunities, optional back offers and pop unders. So you're not leaving any money on the table. So if you're running your traffic, obviously you can't do this with certain traffic sources, but if you're running traffic through and that traffic decides to leave your site for any reason, you got a shit lander, let's be honest. I'm joking. But if they were going back and they would kind of exit traffic, they have offers. So when they click that back button, that user will be redirected to another offer where they could still convert. So it could be a lower offer with a lower requirement for the user, so it's easier for them to convert, which means that you are still making money on the back traffic. So where you typically not make any money, you can make some extra cash, and that builds up and that stacks up, and that increases your ROI on any campaign. So that's what they include, which is very awesome. Cool. Let's have a look at their sign up. So if you are joining CrackRevenue and you want to create an account, so this is what you should see. Okay, so what you'd see is just a standard sign up form, first name, last name, company if you have one, email, password. And usually what will happen is at the next stage is when you'll get asked for more details around the traffic sources you run, what verticals do you run, what's your revenue, how do you monetize the traffic, what strategies do you implement, which is essentially demonstrates your experience with the network. So it's quite important that you get that part right. And then usually after that point, you just have like a little onboarding call with an affiliate manager just to make sure that everything's on point and you didn't ask anybody to write out your application for you. And that's usually the final step, and it's pretty basic with most networks. But yeah, it's quite a simple process. So let's take a look inside the CrackRevenue dashboard. Okay, so we have the CrackRevenue dashboard up and running. Again, this is sort of a dummy account, so there's no revenue right now in this account. This is a completely fresh new account that I'm using just for this video. But I've got to be extra careful with this one because it needs to remain YouTube friendly, right? And what I'm seeing here doesn't really seem too YouTube friendly. So I'm seeing my free cams, I'm seeing Chatterbait, I'm seeing Bonga cams, I'm live, Jerkmate. So bear with you guys, I'm gonna be extra careful with this tutorial, just so that we don't get a red flag with YouTube. Okay, all right, I'm seeing a lot of stuff. This is a dangerous network to do a tutorial for, but it's all good. It's all good. You know, we hustle, we get it done. That's what we gonna do. So I'm gonna head over to the statistics area. Let's have a look at how their reporting is set up. So they have their own. It looks like almost like their own system that they've built, because I haven't really seen much networks that have this, or they've fully customized like some affiliate network software, because they look very unique, and the way that the site is laid out is very unique. So statistics, so you can put in the offer that you're running, so like the vertical, and then for example, you can see all the gambling offers that you're running, all the nutrition offers that you're running, all the sweepstake offers that you're running. You just press the apply button, and then you can get all the data and all the campaigns that you're running, all the money you're making, etc, etc. So their filtering system is pretty standard, pretty good. You know, it's what you want to see, is what you kind of expect. But let's take a look at some of the juicy stuff, right? Let's take a look at the offers. Okay, so we are in the offers section. As I said, we've got to be extra careful in this area. So yeah, so we can see the top offers. There's a lot of adult related offers, let's just put it like that. So I'm not going to do too much clicking on the offers, as I do not want to do anything that could jeopardize this whole YouTube channel and get me banned from YouTube. Because yeah, this network is a little bit dangerous for making content on. Anyway, let's look at a vertical that may not be so naughty, which is kind of hard to find on this network. They have sweeps, survey offers, gambling, entertainment, dating. All right, so I'm guessing sweeps should be fairly safe. We hope so. I'm just gonna leave that as it. I should do single opt-in. Just apply the filter, and let's look at some offers. So check sweeps, 0 offers. All right, this is trying to make me play with fire a little bit. Let me see what else I could do. Niche. Okay. You guys didn't see that. This is probably one of the funniest network tutorials that I've done so far. Gaming could be good, right? Let's check gaming. That's safe. Gaming, 0 gaming. Oh, maybe it's the single opt-in. You know, I'm gonna take the try sweeps again, but I'm gonna remove the single opt-in because sometimes they don't assign the tags correctly of these networks. So let's check. Okay, so we have 3 sweep offers that are not single opt-in according to this. So I'm guessing these may be credit card submits potentially. But yeah, view site. I'm just hoping this isn't anything that can just jeopardize this whole video. But YOLO. Let's have a look at the site. Alright, so from what I can see anyway, for the majority of the offers with this network, CrackRevenue, they are, you know, in sort of adult niche. So as long as you're okay with seeing boobies, booties, and things of that nature, then this could be a good network for you. If not, then, you know, you gotta stick with what you know, stick with what you prefer, right? Cool. So this is kind of like I guess this is like a gambling sort of sweep offer that you can run, and they just play a game, and I'm sure that they have to subscribe to something. That's usually how it works. If the payout is that high, then there's definitely some level of credit card that's being supplied. Hence why the high payout, right? But yeah, that's pretty much the offers with this network. They have smart links. They have my free cams. I'm not gonna click that. They have live cam widget. So if you're running like some form of like adult related blog, or like, you know, you're getting traffic that's adult traffic, then they have a lot of different ways you can monetize that adult related traffic. They have a survey machine. Let's check that out. This seems fairly safe, or so we think. Okay, I'm just treading very carefully. As you can see, I'm just moving very slowly with this network. Alright, I don't know what this is. For quick presentations of this tool, blah 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 blah. Oh, you can create your own surveys, I think. That's pretty cool. Alright, classic. Cool. Yes, they're like, can you make a little survey? Yeah, whatever. Just put some green. Green is my favorite color. I just want to see what we're actually going to be creating. Why is this not working? Alright, we'll just go with gold. Purple and gold. Probably the worst combination in the world. Cool. Wait, what does it say? Choose a color temp. Didn't I choose one? Isn't it? Okay. Okay, you have to do it. Okay, I get it now. Oh, wow. Okay, it's not too bad. You can see where this site, you know, where this survey is intended on being placed. You know, and for the adult traffic, I'm sure they're going to answer this very quickly, because I'm sure there's an ROI for them.
Wow, is very nice.
But yeah, I'm not going to actually click through just in case I end up somewhere that I don't want to end up. But yeah, if you have adult traffic, this network, it seems fire for that traffic, because there's so many different monetization tools. You can create native ads. Again, I'm not going to click there right now, because this is got to be YouTube friendly. But you probably know, if you know native ads, yeah. And then you have the referrals. You can set up referrals. If you have like your own sort of community of affiliates, you can, you know, set up your own affiliate link, and you'll get some payments when your affiliates are making money from the network, which is always cool. And then this is obviously your payment history, where you can see all your billing details, etc, etc, how much revenue you're making, blah blah blah. But yeah, that's pretty much the network. I guess the final thing that I like to show you guys is, you know, payments, because that's when I was, you know, new to affiliate marketing and starting out. What was one of the most important things for me is making sure that I knew about the payment terms. What's the thresholds? When do I get paid? All right, so what's the minimum payment, payout, and the terms of the payment? Cool. So the minimum payout is $100 for Paxum, PayPal, and checks, and $500 for wire transfers. You should have at least a Paxum or a PayPal, like definitely. So it should be typically $100 for you. There are 2 payment periods per month. The first starts on the 1st of the month and ends on the 15th. The second period starts on the 16th and ends on the last day. So it's a bi-monthly payout. So it seems like you get paid every 2 weeks. Cool, awesome. Well, that's the affiliate network tutorial for CrakRevenue. I hope you enjoyed it. It's probably one of my most different tutorials I've done so far. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be making more and more content, not only just reviews and tutorials, but I'm also going to make content that actually shows you the campaigns that I run, which could help you guys make some money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment any questions that you might have about CrackRevenue.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.